Hello and welcome to this short video about the unboxing of a Trust Mantis streaming microphone GTX 232. First of all, we open the box. Inside you've got an accessory box, a white accessory box, and the microphone is actually in a clear plastic bit of packaging at the back. And obviously got all the instructions. Please read the instructions before you start trying to assemble.
So then you have that.
Okay. Right, so then we're going to start to put it all together. So first you have a microphone and a lead. Okay. Now in the white box is all the accessories, so we've got hopefully a stand and a foam disc to go in front of the microphone. You've got a metal piece to support the foam disc. Oh, and a nice stand. Okay. Now we just need to put it all together. So first of all, you pull the legs out, they click into position, and that will form your tripod. Then you turn the top, so it'll accept the microphone. But first of all, you need to push the lead through the rubber bands, which will hold the microphone. It's a bit fiddly. Almost there. So it just pushes into the rubber bands. Okay. Right, next thing is to mount the rubber disc, so the foam disc in front. So get a metal piece, push it through these two adjusting pins. Through one, through the other. Now you have to tighten those up now to hold the metal rod.
But you might want
to put the disc on first. You just screw that on, turn the disc round so it won't go anymore. Okay. And pass it through again. You can adjust the distance this foam piece is from the microphone using these little catches on the top, these little screw catches. Okay, so that's the mic fully assembled. Now to get it working on the computer, you just need to plug the USB into USB socket on the computer. You'll find a little sound come from the computer. We've already installed this, so actually it's already done it. So if you try OBS, Owen, for example. And all you have to do is tell the computer or the software what microphone you'd like to use. So you delete the audio input and then add another audio input, and you should see the option of the new microphone come up. There you go. Add that to your software and away to go. Do you want to do a little test recording on it?
So you click start recording and it automatically starts recording. So that's how you use it, and then obviously you would either go into a game or record what you're doing on here.
Okay.
So then you would stop the recording there, come to the desktop recording, and it automatically starts recording.
There you go. very easy to set
So
up,
that's how you
reasonable
use
quality
it.
mic.
And then obviously you...
So that's our...
And for a reasonably cheap price as well.
Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more interesting videos. Bye-bye.